Welcome to another episode of Out of Stock. TangMup here, and today we have the Nike SB Supreme Gato. This shoe dropped with very little fanfare, and it's got a strong following for those who don't know since its initial release in 2011. It was made as a street soccer shoe with XDR soles to kind of handle the rigorous outdoor beating on the concrete, and then it slowly evolved into a skate shoe under Nike SB. There's various types of leather that they use on this, along with two different types of mesh. In the inner lining, there's like kind of a more straight line mesh, and then on the outside it's just your traditional mesh. On the side right here you get tumbled leather, and then on the toe you also get the tumbled leather with stitching. Toe cap reinforced kind of diamond shaped leather. Medial side you get this circular type leather on this. It feels really nice and smooth, and for $110 retail, that's pretty cheap, and you're getting a lot of little details in this shoe that, you know, if you don't have them in hand, you won't really notice it. Some features that Supreme has added to this shoe: you get the huge tongue right here with the Nike SB, kind of like an old school look to it, with the Supreme box logo on the tongue. And then we get this tab right here, similar to like a Levi's tab, but with the Supreme branding. And then on the inside, you get Supreme on both insoles. World famous on the back right here, which they've used it on a number of pairs. Hang tag that kind of reminds me of the old Jordan 4s, but it has the Supreme Nike SB branding on it also. I don't really recall any, you know, traditional Nike SBs having this, so this is kind of like an ode to, you know, the OG Jordans. Then we also get Supreme hits on this lace tip right here. Also on the white ribbing on the side is kind of my favorite feature on this shoe. Depending on the angle that you're looking at the shoe, this ribbing on the side, it just looks a little different. See how there's more yellow, more red, depending on which angle you're looking at. The hints of blue you don't really see unless you're looking at it up close. So 3 different colors in this ribbing. Week 2 was considered a bye week for a lot of resellers since there wasn't too much hype surrounding the items. At the same time, I think it's a good release for Gato fans and for people that actually really want to wear this shoe, because, you know, it's a simple and clean look with the Supreme branding, and for a value of like $110 to $140 on the high end, that's not too bad, and you won't feel too guilty wearing these outside and actually using them for the intended use. This pair is actually really nice, and I think the quality is there, and for, like I've been saying, like for $140 the most, it's not too bad, and you get a lot of Supreme branding, which, you know, kind of set the shoe apart. And for those that care, it's an added touch that I wouldn't mind paying a little extra for. And the leather's there, you know this shoe is gonna hold up. It's made to get beat up. Overall, what do you guys think about this shoe? I think it's worth a cop. It's even worth a look at. The red, black, white, even the blue, they're not bad, man. It's a cool looking shoe. Overall, very clean, and it does pop with this rib on the side. I can't tell you another shoe that has this kind of style to it. So it's a little added touch that sets it apart from the other Gatos. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next episode.